Hello children. Our today's topic is present indefinite tense. We also call it simple present tense. In this video, we will learn the use of present indefinite tense in real life, how to form sentences, and how to form affirmative, negative, and interrogative sentences. Let's see what is simple present tense. Let's see the definition. The simple present tense is defined as the tense that is used to refer to events, actions, and conditions that are happening all the time or exist now. The present tenses of a verb are the ones that are used to talk about things that happen regularly or situations that exist at the same time. Now, if I summarize this explanation, we find out three things: routine, the things that are regularly happening, habits that people repeatedly do, and the facts, the things that happen at that time. Now let's have a look at the routine, the examples of routine. That I wake up early in the morning, I brush my teeth and wash my hands and face. Now find out the verbs in these sentences. I wake up, I have colored them purple. Wake, brush, go, take, go. These are all the base forms of the verbs. Now have a look at some of the habits. Saad keeps his room clean. Hira helps her mom with the house chores. They jog in the morning. Dad brings fruit for us. We play in the evening. Now I have colored all the verbs green. Now did you notice something? With these verbs there is an additional S. I've colored it red just to let you point it out. Before explaining that, let's look at the formula. Subject plus verb first form plus object. We all know what is subject. Subject is the doer of an action. The verb is the action. And the object is here in the definition. It is referred to the remaining information given in a sentence. It's not always the object. It can be any additional information, the rest of the sentence. Now let's look at this again. Saad keeps his room clean. Now in this sentence, who is the subject? Who is the doer of the action? It's Saad. And what is the action? Keeps. Saad keeps his room clean, and room is the object. Hira helps her mom with the home chores. Now Hira is the subject and help is the verb. Now see, the subjects are colored red. Saad, Hira, they, dad, we. And the verbs are colored green. Now before I explain the use of S with the verb, you should understand the pronouns first. We have already studied the personal pronouns, the first person, the second person, and the third person. The first person is the one who is talking, I and we. The second person is who you are talking to. You is the second person, and the third person is all the other subjects. Now he, she, and it are the third person singular and the single names. We use S and ES with the verb when the subject is third person singular. You have to remember it clearly that when the subject is third person singular, then we add an S or ES with the verb. In these sentences, Saad, Hira, and Dad are the third person singular. They is the plural and we is the first person. Let's come to the negative and interrogative sentences now. Here we have two superheroes to help us, do and does. Let's see how it works. Now, how to form negative sentences. Subject plus do not or does not plus verb first form plus object. I keep my room clean. I do not keep my room clean. So we added do not to make it negative. Hira helps her mom with the home chores. Hira does not help her mom with the home chores. Now you see we changed the placement of this S. They jog in the morning. They do not jog in the morning. Sarah loves her country. Sarah does not love her country. Now how to form interrogatives. Same, we use do and does, but this time in the beginning of the sentence. Let's see some of the examples. Sarah loves her country. Does Sarah love her country? Children play cricket. Do children play cricket? The children is plural, so we did not use does with them. And then put a question mark in the end. Now here are some facts that we did not discuss earlier. The sun rises in the east. I am the tallest boy in the class. Pakistan is a Muslim country. Vegetables are good for health. These are also simple present tense. Hope this lesson was helpful for you. Thank you. Goodbye.